good to see the chief on the deck tonight. Welcome, George, to the weekend show. We always enjoy having you here. What's going on with this weather? It's February. I'm looking for brighter skies or at least snow for people who are really desperate for some snow, huh?
Yeah, we'd like it to act like the season, shouldn't it?
100%. I agree that should happen.
Yeah, not cloudy, rainy, warm, that kind of stuff. That doesn't happen in the winter. Unfortunately, we do have some very, very warm weather coming up here tomorrow. That's certainly not like February usually starts. 13 WEATHERBALL is solid red. That means warmer weather ahead, and this view sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse of Allendale. 36 today. That was what we forecast. It only made 35 so far, but nonetheless, that's 9 days in a row within plus or minus 3 degrees and 11 days in a row where we've seen warmer than average temperatures. And man, it's going to be even warmer here tomorrow and on a Monday. Weather headlines are calling for a breezy, milder Sunday with highs in the 40s, possible record highs in a few locations. We'll talk about that in a second. The next impact system that we've been talking about is trending a little bit slower and a little bit further south next week. Now it's been pushed into Wednesday night through Thursday night. It may start out as a wintry mix to snow and then ending as some lake effect snow. So the forecast is there in the middle. Highs in the mid 40s. On the right hand column, those are the record highs. I think the only record that may be in jeopardy is Muskegon. That's one of the coldest record high temperatures in the entire year for Muskegon. Traveling here tonight, no worries, maybe a flurry around 2 a.m. and then if we can get enough dry air in, we'll see some afternoon sunshine tomorrow, but breezy winds as we climb into the low and mid 40s. Here's what January looked like. Looking back, it was our 6th warmest. It was wetter than last year. It was a lot less snowy than last year, and it was also our 6th cloudiest January on record, so cloudy and warm. Still lots of clouds out there right now, but very little active weather going on right now. Got some warm air pushing across the northern plains, and that's because we got a very strong jet stream that's pushing on through, and that hopefully will bring those 40s in here tomorrow. This storm system continues to deepen over the southwest. Very typical when these start to deepen. It takes a little while for them to come out. It was now going to take 24 hours longer. May get here on Wednesday night, lasting through Friday, and then we'll see a little bit quieter weather as we head into next weekend. Still, that upper level winds are not coming straight out of the Arctic. They're coming off the North Pacific. And in terms of travel delays, not a lot going on throughout much of the country until late Monday, and then that system falls apart. There's that system that's going to go off to our south. That's where the major delays will be on Wednesday into Thursday, and even next weekend, even if we see some lake effect snow flurries. Not a lot of travel delays expected in the next week. On Friday afternoons, we get the long range outlook, which takes us through week 3 and 4. This takes us through the end of February, second half of February. High probability will stay warmer than average, and a high probability there will be more precipitation during that 2-week period. Tomorrow, hopefully becoming a little bit sunny, but breezy, highs in the low and mid 40s. Winds will be up to around 20 to gusting to 30. Up north, breezy with a little bit of sunshine, hopefully. Highs in the low to mid 40s, and similar here in the greater Grand Rapids area. Breezy conditions with hopefully some sunshine, a high of 46. 13 on your side forecast. From the 40s back down into the 30s and even a few 20s as we get in toward the end of next weekend. And there's that system late Wednesday night through Thursday. There might be enough to shovel and plow. We'll have to update as we get a little bit closer to that. So Sarah, maybe February will start acting a little bit and behave a little bit better.
All right, well, new month, I'm hoping for something new, but maybe just a slow start. Maybe something will change mid-month. A longer month, longer February this year, right?
We can only hope.
We can only hope. All right, thanks so much, George.